Connect.
There you go, connecting. You're connected.
Hello.
Hello.
We're just doing something fun. This is Rachel.
Hello.
And I'm Michelle. We are going to be playing with the Frog and Friends card kit. Well, actually, it's not card kit, is it? What is it?
No, it's just like a toy.
It's a toy. Wow, these are so cute. You can't really do it by yourself. Really, can you? You have to do it with a friend.
Hello.
We've got googly eyes.
My favourite.
Yep. Okay, what have we got? And what are we making, Rachel?
There's a frog, a shark,
There we go.
and a fish. I do quite like the fish has got a little worm to catch.
Ooh.
That is very cute.
Okay, so we've got that. I'll try and show you
Ah.
products. There you go.
That is
like
quite
these things. It's
I
got,
like the bugs.
you like the bugs?
The bugs.
This one's got double-sided tapes.
Oh,
all
it's
in
all ready
place.
to go.
Yes, all ready to go.
This one's
So
sort of
one,
got
two-
tape on it.
Oh, look at that. So this is the, what's the blue thing? Shark.
Uh-huh.
That's the blue one. So there are two of them. And the
I
yellow
like its
fish.
teeth. The shark
Yeah,
with the
it's cool. It's
teeth.
pretty cool, eh?
Yes.
Man, imagine having to cut that.
I know.
And then we have,
Ooh.
that's the fish.
I just
then we
lost
have the
the-
froggy.
I lost the frog
Froggy,
leg,
froggy.
sorry.
Right. So that might die soon, though.
Yes.
Yeah, so I might actually have to stop it, because if it dies, does that mean it doesn't record it?
Probably.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll just do that. Just pulling out the frog's legs.
Oh, we're doing the frog? Frog just
Uh,
has two legs? Yes.
Oh no, which one are we doing first?
We do the frog. The frog is cute with
Frog is cute,
the low battery. It's not
but I
stopping.
think it's still going.
I like the spots, don't you?
Yeah, it's really cool. It's shiny.
Spot and
we don't
the
need
little legs match. You can see they match the thing. Perfectly.
Here we go.
Oh, and
Oh.
there's even yeah,
Tape.
yeah. But there's also places where you put the dot, the googly eyes.
There you go.
Gosh,
Do we
no
need
thought.
instruction?
Probably not, because I don't think this is any thought.
Okay, you can work it out. Go on then.
Okay, so I guess you
Do
just
like this?
fold a lot. Oh, you just fold a little bit, I would imagine, don't you? Because you want a bit of a bounce.
Yes.
Yeah.
It doesn't tell you.
It doesn't tell you?
I don't think it does. I don't know. So. Oh yeah. So
What's
so,
that
so
sound?
you tape it.
So would
Wait,
you take
what's on
them?
here? What goes on there?
Oh, I would say the fly and the string.
Oh.
That would
okay.
be crucial.
Okay, so we
I
need
love-
that.
Okay,
Oh, 12 inch. Right,
and the
12
back.
inch.
Okay.
Ready?
How big's 12 inches? But that, we should probably know. Would you say about that far?
Okay.
Oh, here, look. Oh, it's got tape.
Oh, it's got
look,
12 inches.
it's got
I
on
knew
the
that.
tape. Oh,
Oh wait,
that's
hang on.
amazing.
Hang on. 0 to
6 and then back again.
0 to 6.
Oh, that is so
And then back
clever.
again.
So oh, these are not Stampin' Up scissors, so they're not very good. Oh,
Here we go.
sorry.
Okay, you need that.
Okay, and so now
What, do we thread it onto the?
what do we do? What do we do?
Are we threading it onto
Where's the
those
little
things?
perspex? Where are they going?
Here.
Oh, they're adorable.
Okay.
Okay.
What does frog eat?
Oh, it's a fly. Oh, yep. Okay, so that just gets tied. So you tie your end, and I'm going to stick my end.
Oh, how does
You just do a little knot, and
do
I
little
reckon,
knots?
if you take this tape off,
Okay.
and I'm just going to attach it like that, and then like that, going back on itself.
Oh yeah.
Just so you know,
Yep.
it's a bit more than just one.
Okay. It's
Feel?
got more stability. Okay. Just a knot, double knot.
Uh huh.
Okay.
Cute.
Alright. We're gonna make at least one, hopefully, before
Yeah.
the battery dies.
I'm with you.
Okay. We got
Okay,
one.
so then you think just fold it in on itself?
Yep.
Like that? Like
Yep.
so? Would you just, I'm thinking just slightly. Does it say?
It doesn't. It's not very helpful.
Okay, I'm making an executive decision. I'm
Okay.
just going on to
Just
the tape like
halfway.
that.
Yeah.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, because that lines up nicely. Look at
Yes,
that.
okay.
It looks
Nice.
nice up. And then just poking
And
the
then poking down.
Oh, that is
Show them the froggy.
cute. Hope you can see that.
Yeah.
Fly is going to go in his belly.
Yeah, yum yum.
Okay, he needs legs. All good frogs need legs.
Okay, so we've got one leg.
Oh yeah, and they've got a little marker where they go.
Isn't
I'll
it
do
clever?
one.
Let me show them. We've got a little marker right here.
I just love the way that this is pretty.
Yeah, it's
as
pretty
well.
pretty clever.
Okay, that was just so easy.
That way.
Tiny bit of tape. Yeah, I guess.
Oh, hang on.
No, hang on.
Oh, oh.
That way. That way.
That way. Are we good?
Ta-da!
Are we good?
And then front legs. I was
What do
going to
you think, Delta?
I was going to say front paws, but no, frogs
there's-
are not paws.
What are they?
Front legs, wouldn't they be?
Legs, yeah. That'd be legs, wouldn't it? And then
I love this.
is it going? It's going up. It's going that way.
Yeah. Hands it out for time.
Oh, look. So they're matching.
Oh, this is
You can't really go wrong with this, eh? Anyone can
cannot
do
go-
this.
Yeah, well, if we can.
Oh, hang on. Did I do it right now?
I think you've.
Have I stopped it?
Well, we can go that way.
That doesn't look right.
You don't think? Oh, just remember saying it's not right.
I don't think I did it right.
No, I don't think that would look right. Oh, yeah, that way maybe. Yeah, if I was doing it, I would go that way. What do you think?
No. No.
No.
Maybe we overthink it. No, maybe it's
No,
that
like always, we overthink it. Oh, he's adorable.
Wait, hey.
I've gone the other way. Yeah,
That way.
yeah, I put his arms out. That, oh.
But
Okay,
then this is like facing out. Should it be doing that?
I think he should, because he's
Okay.
like reaching out to
Okay.
like, you know. Okay,
Yeah,
and
so-
now,
So what? Are you meant to be like this?
oh,
Maybe
that,
too long.
I
Maybe
think you
maybe
just,
too
no, I
long.
just think you need some practice.
Really?
Yeah, and I also think the fly, the Perspex fly, needs the stickers. And he
Oh,
also, he
yes.
can't see.
He
needs,
can't see. He needs eyes.
he needs his
Oh, with the
googlies.
googly eyes. Yeah.
Googlies.
Go on here, guess. Do you think?
In the spot.
Must be in that spot.
Oh,
Oh,
love
this is
this
so
little,
much fun.
that little fly is adorable. Oh, sorry, hold it up higher so you can see. That is adorable. And into the mouth.
Into the mouth, and you'll have to have a go now.
Okay,
Okay.
here I go. Did you find holding him in the... Oh, nearly. Oh, nearly. Nearly. Oh, I'm getting worse.
Woo!
This is a bit of hand-eye coordination here.
It is. I think it's too long.
Oh,
Do you think?
no, I think... Oh, I wrapped it around his arm.
Oh, no.
Sorry, frog. Yeah, it could be too long, or I could just be useless at this.
Okay, let me show you.
That
you the
is
froggy.
adorable. So cute. So
Alright,
cute.
I think that's cool. I think I better stop it now.
Good plan.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you for joining us.
Howdy,